how to find mutual friends on Twitter. So if you want to find mutual friends on Twitter, then first you need to open up your Twitter application. So for now, I'll be opening my Twitter in my browser because I don't have the application installed. So you just need to go for the Twitter on your browser or on your application, wherever you're comfortable. Once you're on the Twitter, you need to go for the profile, which will be on the upper left. And you need to go for profile. Tap on profile. Under your profile here, you will have who to follow. So scroll down and tap on show more. And here you can see the suggestions. So you can add anyone whom you would like to follow. And go for the upper right, which has that settings. Under settings, go for contacts, and you just need to go for manage contacts. Under manage contacts, you need to enter your password and you need to turn on your contacts. Once you turn on your contacts, then you will have all of the members that are on your contacts under these suggestions. So that's how you can find the mutual friends on your Twitter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.